How's it going, everyone? I'm standing in a 2026 230 Solaris. This boat has the RL. It's the rear lounger layout. In the front of this boat, we've got these nice folding back cushions in those seats, so super easy to access anything in here, whether it's a life jacket, an anchor line, anything along those lines. We've got the RGB lights going in this boat. In the cup holders, as you can see, we've got USB and USB-C charging stations in here on both sides. We've also got these really nice folding armrests in the front, so very, very comfortable in the bow of this boat. At the midship, we also have this really nice folding table, very easy to deploy and stow away. As well too, we've got a nice drawer here with a little food and water dish for our furry friends. At the helm, we have dual SIMRADs. So you can see we've got a map going, as well as our digital tachometer and speedometer. Also have cooled cup holders, and of course that bimini is powered. We also have the digital throttle and shift on this boat. This boat features a Mercury 250 Verado engine, so plenty of get up and go. The lounger is really nice as well too. You can fold this a few different directions. As you can see, I'm doing this with one hand, so this is very, very easy to do. You can lay these perfectly flat. And now we're lounging facing the rear of the boat, or we can lay that guy perfectly flat too, raise this up, and then we're lounging going forward. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com. This is located at our Nisswa store, so be sure to stop in and check it out today.